Ever wondered what you could do with that stream in your backyard? Well, forget rubber ducks, how about generating your own electricity? Today we're diving into how you can turn a little water flow into big power with a mini hydropower system right in your backyard. Let's light things up, one drop at a time. Okay, we start with this one. Got this ingenious guy, he built a water-powered wheel using an old motorcycle wheel and pieces of PVC pipe. He cleverly anchored it to a rock where the flowing water was just strong enough to keep the wheel spinning. But he didn't stop there. He used a rubber rope to connect it to another motorcycle wheel, creating a simple yet effective system. And guess what? This homemade mechanism was powerful enough to generate electricity for his entire house. Talk about resourcefulness. This ingenious guy built a mini hydropower system to generate his own electricity using nothing but scrap materials. He creatively repurposed items like rubber and metal to build a drive wheel, which he cleverly aligned with a generator to produce power. What's even more impressive is that he connected a large pipe upstream to prevent the system from sinking during floods, ensuring it remains stable. Thanks to the steady flow and consistent water volume, he now enjoys a reliable and stable voltage of electricity, completely off-grid. This guy went all out. He's using metals, and guess what? He painted it red. Why? To prevent corrosion, of course. Talk about thinking long-term, right? This guy went all out. He's using metals, and guess what? He painted it red. Why? To prevent corrosion, of course. Talk about thinking long-term, right? Clever. This inventor has taken a unique approach to harnessing hydropower. Instead of the typical setup, he placed the generator right on top of the canal. But here's the genius part, you won't see the drive wheel beneath it. Why? Because he's covered it up to shield the generator from the wastewater splashing below. It's a clever preventative measure to ensure the generator stays dry and functional, while still tapping into the energy of flowing water. This guy's always thinking ahead. This guy built his own hydropower system using scraps and plastic bottles to create a drive wheel. He cleverly placed a pipe upstream to harness the water flow, which powers the drive wheel. Just like in his previous project. This setup generates electricity. What's even more impressive, he did all of this in the remote area where he lives, far from any modern conveniences. It's truly a testament to his ingenuity and resourcefulness. All right, that's all for today, folks. If you're new here, Baka name and hit that subscribe button. Come on. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching, and remember, I do this so you don't have to. See you in the next one.